12. Take care of your eyes. Taking care of your eyes while working extensively on computers and mobile phones is crucial to prevent eye strain and potential long-term damage. Here are some tips to help maintain good eye health. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. This helps relax the eye muscles and reduces strain. Adjust screen settings. Ensure your computer screen or mobile phone has proper brightness and contrast settings. Reduce glare by adjusting lighting or using anti-glare screens. Maintain proper posture. Position your screen at an arm's length away and slightly below eye level. This reduces the strain on your eyes and neck. Blink regularly. Staring at screens can decrease blinking, leading to dry eyes. Make a conscious effort to blink frequently to keep your eyes moist. Use the right lighting. Ensure proper ambient lighting to reduce strain. Avoid excessive bright light or harsh glare that could cause discomfort. Take breaks. Incorporate regular breaks into your work schedule. Use this time to rest your eyes by focusing on distant objects or closing your eyes for a few moments. Use artificial tears. If your eyes feel dry, consider using over-the-counter artificial tear drops to lubricate them. Get regular eye checkups. Visit an eye doctor regularly for comprehensive eye exams. This helps detect any issues early and ensures appropriate corrective measures are taken. Adjust font size and display, increase text size, and adjust screen resolution for better visibility. Avoid straining your eyes to read small fonts. Limit screen time. Try to reduce unnecessary screen exposure during leisure time. Engage in activities that don't involve screens to give your eyes a break. Stay hydrated. Drink enough water throughout the day to maintain good overall eye health. Consider blue light filters. Use blue light filters or screen protectors that can reduce the amount of blue light emitted by screens, which may help reduce eye strain. Remember, taking breaks, proper ergonomics, and regular eye care are essential for maintaining healthy eyes, especially when working extensively with computers and mobile phones. If you experience persistent discomfort or vision problems, consult an eye care professional for guidance and support. Please help subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video. See you soon. I wish you good luck.